Where I went, it went. From a big wedding in a big college town to a secret one just outside of San Fran. From a snow-covered park in Cambridge to a party on the border of Mexico. It tracked boats, planes, and even me. It's more than a camera with wings. It's a personality. It's given me a freedom of perspective that no ground shot could ever provide. However, as planned, this is the year that this bird is officially retired to light and non-travel duty. Unless there is an emergency, this drone's days of flying from state to state, city to city, summit to summit are over.
Retirement party.
I don't care what anyone says. It's still cool to me.